Hi, it's a quick demo of the Dronedesk battery group capability. So by way of example, let's group some batteries for a M600. So you can see I've got 6 batteries already built in the system. So I just want to create a group for those. So all I need to do is select the batteries that I want to add to the group. So that's all 6. And we can see at the moment there's no charge count and no flight logs. You'll see that each of the batteries in that group has now been tagged to the group. There's the group on its own. If I view any of the batteries in that group, it'll let you know that it's assigned to a group just by way of reference. Okay, so in terms of flight logging, if you say you're going to record batteries in your flight logs, then you can now assign a battery group to a flight. So let's just do a manual one. We'll assign the M600, and then we'll assign the battery group. So any groups will be prefixed with a G just so that you know it's group if you haven't named it group, obviously. Briefly, a dayish. Let's just do a 20-minute flight. Okay, so that's a flight recorded against that battery group. So if I now go back to batteries and look at that group, we've got our 20 minutes flight assigned. And then you'll also see that for every battery in that group, we've got 20 minutes assigned. No charge cycles. So if I want to add a charge cycle to that group, do it from there, add a cycle, and you'll see for every battery in that group, charge cycle's been added. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon.